Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the name of a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so we have this project management sheet, Google spreadsheet, and let's say we want to change the name of this spreadsheet to something else. We have two very simple options. The first one is to click on the menu File. Then as you can see, here is the rename option, and as you can see the file name has been selected with this blue background, which means that now we can edit the name of the file and we can rename the file, as you can see, really easily. But an even easier option is to just click on the file name and right away it is selected and we can edit the file name to anything we want. So notice I can rename or change the name of a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.